Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Talk. This is Technofeed and today we are gonna discuss something really interesting. So let's begin. If you are an Apple lover, then you must have a bit more patience for its new product. The iPhone 12 series launch will be delayed by at least 2 months and will take place in November instead of the usual mid-September timeframe. Previous reports estimated a 1-month delay to both launch and mass production timeframes due to the ongoing pandemic. Talking about the internet giant, Redmi has already shook Indian market and is constantly expanding to other market niches as evident from its upcoming Redmi X TV and Redmi Book laptop. But this one comes with a little surprise. The company unveiled its first ever PC monitor called Redmi Display 1A, an aggressively priced monitor with very impressive design. Now coming to the excited part of Redmi, Redmi Note 9 Pro Max will once again go on sale in India via Amazon and Mi.com next week, Xiaomi India boss Manu Kumar Jain hinted on Twitter. Jain also noted that the second sale of the phone ended in minutes. So if you are looking for it, then gear up yourself for the next sale. Despite the corona outbreak, telecom companies in many parts of the world are on a track to build speedy networks. Besides its effort to expand its 5G network portfolio, the company also has started pre-research on 6G along with the development of satellite internet. In a recent interview made by Xinhua and Li Jun, the co-founder and CEO of Xiaomi confirmed some of his company's future plans. And the most favorite of all, PUBG Mobile is adding a new mode called the Mysterious Jungle on 1st June. The team behind the highly popular Battle Royale game teased the arrival of the new mode through a tweet posted on Wednesday without specifying any particular details. Be ready along with your partners to try this new mode. Now moving forward, this one is for OnePlus lovers. The latest version 4.4.7 update for the OnePlus launcher has added some nifty new tricks, including support for Android's freeform window as well as bringing the new app Switcher. OnePlus fans will no doubt be more than aware of the new app Switcher, which has been available since the 4.4 beta of the OnePlus launcher. This is the first time it has come to the stable version of the pre-installed launcher on OnePlus hardware. We have also something for Samsung users. South Korean tech company Samsung launched a new variant of the Galaxy A51 with 8GB and 128GB of internal storage variant. The new variant of Samsung's premium mid-range device has been priced at $27,999 only. Similarly to the other variants of Galaxy A51, the new variant comes in 3 colors: Prism Crush Black, Prism Crush White and Prism Crush Blue, and will be available soon across the retail channels, offline retail stores, leading e-commerce portal and Samsung.com. Once it was a rare breed of smartphones, but today it's the flagship killers. And yes, it's a Realme. Realme already has 4 devices in its X50 lineup, the most recent one being the X50 Pro Player, which was unveiled on Monday. It seems the brand is ready to add a 5th device dubbed X50T 5G, which was spotted in a Google Play supported devices listing on China's 3C agency's database. It bears the RMX2052 Global and RMX2052CN Chinese version model numbers and was previously spotted on the TINA database earlier this month. So we end up with this, and I hope it was interesting. Before saying goodbye, subscribe our channel and share this video, and have a good day. Meet you in the next episode of Tech Talk.